Welcome. This evening I will be sharing with you some game-based learning, online learning activities that I use in my middle school classroom. The four main programs I use are Brainpop.com, Khan Academy, Code.org, and Prodigy Games, which is a math game. So I'm going to share those with you. They are all free. Schools do not have to pay for anything. There are added features that schools can pay for. So let me share with you those websites. Okay, I think I started the wrong one. Let me try this again. Let's share this one. All right. So on the first one I'm going to show you is Prodigy Math. So Prodigy Math, you can create a free account. So you can, as it says, it's for grades 1 through 8, so not just middle school. Once you have your membership as a teacher, you have to create your email. You have to sign up with your email. I'm going to log in. The only downside of this program is you can't have multiple classes under one email. I actually have 3 emails that I use, one for each of my grade levels. But I want to share with you what the dashboard looks like. So you can schedule plans for different lessons to start. You can see which students are working from home or which are working in class. Once you have so many students signed up, or you share with another teacher and they sign up students, then you get free memberships that you get to share with your students. On the left is your menu bar. So we have your dashboard. On the student section, as you can see, these are my students from last year. You can add students, you can remove students, which I will take care of. There is a parent contact letter. I can also see on my login information, I've got my student logins here. And of course, you want to keep those private with your students. On assignments, it's very, you can differentiate your learning. Different students can be assigned different skills. You can create, as you can see, I have multiple 2 fractions assigned for when we get back to school, which kids actually report the 18th, but for this demonstration, I added it through the month of August. You get reports. Of course, it is a new school year, so it will not, I've moved my kids up already from 6th to 7th and 7th to 8th, so there won't be any impact reports or student progress reports under this portion. I just want you to be able to see that. Let me see if I can bring up a student here. Okay, we can look at this student. We can see that under 2D shapes, under the skill of identifying parts of a circle. They spent 32 seconds on this topic, answered 6 questions with 100% correct. So I can be fairly positive that this student knows this information. This, however, surface area of 3D shapes would be an area that now I know that I can pull that student to work with. So anyway, that's just kind of, these are the skills that students worked on last year. So I would suggest that you go in and create a teacher account and maybe just add your child, if you have a child, from grades 1 to 8 and put them in. Create yourself a student account. I do have a student account. What I like about this program is that students are, they create their avatar and they solve math problems between every math battle. They have battle another student. There's multiple worlds that they can go into. They earn points, they earn pets, things like that. So it's really fun. The best thing to do is like I did, I just created a student account. I created a teacher account, and then I created myself as a student, and I just went in and started playing it. So that's one program. The next program is Khan Academy. As you can see, I'm logged in as the teacher. Of course, I don't have any 6th grade added yet, but here are my 7th and my 8th graders, and there is an Algebra 1. Some of my 8th graders will be in Algebra 1 after they're tested this next school year, so I will move these students from the 8th grade into the Algebra 1. There again, just go and create yourself an account and view the all the topics. This is the dashboard, of course. You can see the student progress. You can choose by class. We'll wait for it to come up here. Okay, of course, my 8th graders haven't completed